Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can start your video editing brand. So I'm just going to use this TikTok profile. It's not going to obviously look as similar as yours. First, you're going to want to obviously have a lot of videos in store that you've already edited to showcase basically your video editings. So make sure you have that stocked up so you can kind of modify when you want to upload those. Next is you want to choose just one social media first to develop and have your audience grow there. So you can build connections with clients and your audience. Do that. Then you're going to want to have your profile picture and like the rest of like your thumbnails like a similar color. So for instance, this guy's background is like light blue, for instance, for all of these. Or if you're on Instagram, you can kind of like change the background of your like highlights to the same color and have like the thumbnails the same colors first so that it's like the same. So like you can start making your brand because brand's going to have like the same logo. So make sure you have the same colors first. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. And you're just going to start to grow your audience there. Be consistent. I'm very inconsistent. That's why it's very hard for me to start anything. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.